Hi guys, I'm so sorry that I haven't posted for like forever. But I had a YouTube channel and one new video, so please go check it out. And I have bangs now. Oh my gosh. I'll just wait and go to sleep before you guys. So guys, I already planned. Mom go to work now. Let me just wake her up. I'm not gonna wake her up actually. What day is it today? Oh. OMG. It's Sunday. It's Saturday today, so Mom doesn't really has work today, so let's just put back. Should I take that where he goes? My alarm is actually. Let me just wait for a while. Back. Okay. Go to the restroom. I shouldn't go up because I really have to eat. Instead of that's why I didn't really have to eat yet. And let's go back to the start. Oh my gosh. Step back. Oh my hair. It's like so messy. And so cold. My hair today. Since it's so cold today, I just wear this as a jacket. Oh my gosh, what should we wear? My headband or my bow? Let's just look at which one matches. I think this one matches with the white with the... Let me just make let's get ready. And then let's put on my face mask. And if the alarm goes up and it's time. 15 minutes late. Is he blowing it already? Oh, let's just take it off now. Okay. I will wake up Mama. Oh, wait, I didn't actually change my clothes yesterday. Mama, wake up! Oh, you're already awake. Oh. Guys, I'm sorry, I just Tulog si Inay!
Hindi na, alis din eh.
Binamatay mo si Inay? Busog ko lang talaga.
Akala ako tulog, hindi naman ako tulog.
Ano lang yan?
Fish!
Fish! Sarap nun. Gusto ko yan. Gusto ko yan. Nagbaylo ka?
Yeah.
Hindi na umalis ka. Baba. Binamatay niya nga si Inay. Ano oras na? Baka 6 na.
Hindi pa? Sabi ni Inay, hindi pa daw.
Hindi na umakyat. Kanina ba yan?
Eh, hindi siya akyat. Ako yung pinatutulog at siya ay pantay. Hindi naman ako tulog.
Mama!
Siguro kaya hindi ka umakyat para hindi ka matutulog. Pili ko nga ate.
Nakita na ako niyan, okay yan. Talagang hindi rin natin.
Kaya hindi yan nakakyat, tayo matulog. Nagkakado sa'yo.
Pag ako bumulat na kaya, kasi niya ako, nag-anak ko, pero babalik.
Bow.
Ba, may quatogs na dyan, no? Dyan nga lang yun sa diversion.
I'll just get right. Which clouds should I wear?
Ano mo, nasa na-address mo?
Huh? Nasan?
Ano mo, mamaya ko doon sa galing.
Oo, naka.
Nasa where?
Anong trabaho?
Where?
Malapit lang lang yung pupuntahan niya.
Poo, pow, pow, pow.
Kain mo lang masarap.
Ang dam tubig.
Hindi ka natulog. Ang galing-galing mo.
Hindi. Pagka yun, nilabag tayo.
Toothpaste.
Hindi ka naman binanas.
Hindi. No. Let's turn it on. Sabi ko ako.
Ano yung kuko mo, ah?
Nakabidyo ako.
Kabidyo ka? Ah, sorry. Her nails!
No. Let's change my clothes. Bring this back. Let's go back to sleep. Mom, can you order me a tablet? Tablet?
Hmm?
Sure. Yes! So, yeah, I should. No, I actually don't have a credit card. Just tell your sister. Hey, yeah, I can buy you one.
Lobby, hindi na kain ng nanay. Ang inay.
Let's just read my favorite book. Can I go in your bed? No, just go on the couch. Fine.
Ayaw niya matulog.
I will just buy some, what is some groceries because look at the wrap. There's milk, orange juice, and strawberry milk. Bye, kids. Mom, no. I will just be here.
Anong gusto ng... Anong luto ng sila? Anong gusto yung tuligan? Yung nagluto yun? Masarap yun.
And how?
Kakang-tawag. May lupa. Grabe.
Ito ate, yung isang ano?
So kids, I will just cook the food.
Sigula.
Whoa. Where's the roll frying pan?
Nakapag... May lupa. Nakakahiya.
100 kaya yung isa ata.
Tanong mo sa akin.
Trick? Mom, you know I'm on a diet.
Ano ikaw? Pinariyan mo na. Ay, may prutas mo.
Sisiko.
Ha?
Ang naglabi na ka. Kanina umaga.
Saan ka?
Here.
Alis ka.
And the one. And
Wala namang natikin eh.
Orange mo. Hindi ko ano na.
Ah, gusto mo?
Ano na lang gusto mo? Siyempre, di ba?
Tumaba ka na.
Hindi ako tataba.
Hindi yan tataba. Sexy yan.
Hindi ako nataba.
Sexy girl. Sexy girl. Kakapin mo na kami ni Tinapay.
Tinapay. Tinapay. Nom 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 nom. Kids, come here before eating. Okay, mommy. Let's move. Me here. Oh, gulp, 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 gulp. Gulp, 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 gulp. Hapunan o gabi?
Gabihan.
Oh, yan ang oras na Eddie.
Yung ano, pakain mo sa inay. Ano nga yan? Yung dragon fruit. Maganda yun sa kanya.
Maya.
Okay. Tamis ka.
Matatamis ang tinda dun eh. Yung mangga din na nabili ko.
Pakasin mo ako. Batang malaki na.
Alam mo, alaga ako niyan.